Hello everybody, my name is Alan Loy. The rotation of a formula will position itself into that. If that is 3 on 1, 12 on 1 and 4 on 1 by the border, the consumption of the plurinar will reposition itself into doorsteps. Each doorstep is a conjunction of the plurinar. If the plurinar is the position of the army for sector 3, it is the fifth development of technology based upon the condor. The condor is 3 cents, 9 cents and 10 cents by the border based upon Witterson. The Witterson is a lawyer based upon the law. Any law in relation to the servant, it is equivalent to share the network of one. If there is one based upon the element design for the protocol, it will work out 5p, 6p, 1p by the border, and in that time it is 10% GMAC. The conjunction of the plurinar will reposition itself into the door. Any door in relation to servant, it is equivalent to share the network one by the border. The border is 3 on time, 12 on time, and 10 on time by the selection of 3 on 1, and in that day it is 10% GMAC. The conjunction of the plurinar will reposition itself into doorsteps and to reposition itself into any days. In that day it is a 10% GMAC. The conclusion of the element will position itself for sector 3. If there is one based upon the old poster, it is the element designed for the protocol for fine arts in relation to the controller. The controller in fine art will consumption the Purima based upon the element designed for the protocol. Any protocol based upon that work, it is 10% GMAC. This is the conjunction of the Purina.